Good day, ma'am. This is my video presentation in our prototyping. First, the product concept. Our product name is Taro Treat. In the description of the product, Taro Treat is a soft, creamy dessert made from white taro, similar to cassava cake. So, ang among gikuan og inspo, ani nga product is ang cassava cake. I-replace namo ang cassava cake into taro nga mao ang main ingredients nga gigamit. Then ang purpose and function ani nga prototyping is to offer an alternative dessert using white taro, promote local ingredients, and provide a tasty and affordable snack for consumers. Our target market is students, families, dessert lovers, and local community customers. Next, na innovation and relevance. Taro treat is innovative because it replaces cassava with white taro, creating a new version of a traditional dessert. So, ang cassava cake, ang main ingredients na cassava, gi-innovate na mo siya using the white taro as the main ingredients. This gives a unique taste and introduces variety to common kakanin products. How does it respond to current needs or problems? It provides an alternative ingredient in case cassava is not available or expensive. So, ang cassava is expensive din siya and pangitaunon. While ang taro, perminti siya o mas affordable siya kaysa sa cassava. It is also supports the use of local crops like taro and offers a new product for consumers looking for something different. Cassava kay gamay lang ang nagatanom bitaw kanang murag kasagaran jud nga planters is ang taro ang ilahang ginatanom. So, kuan na mo siya, gi-try na mo siya og prototype para nga ang taro kay barato lang man nga ginapalit sa mga planters. So, gi-try na mo siya para pero palitan na mo siya nga mas mahal-mahal kaysa sa pinalitan sa uban. Para makakuan po siya og problems, makakuan siya sa mga farmers, makatabang sa farmers. Third is the prototype description. We submit a physical prototype of the product. The materials we use is white taro, coconut milk, condensed milk, evaporated milk, sugar, eggs. But ang eggs namo siya is optional. Pwede rin siya gamiton, pwede po siya dili. Butter or margarine optional din. Baking tray and oven. Our features of the prototype, soft and moist texture, cheesy toppings, slightly sweet and rich flavor, attractive and simple packaging. But sa toppings, pwede po siya melted sugar. So, ang among nasabit ani is ang cheesy toppings. How the product works. The grated taro is mixed with the ingredients, poured into a pan, and stirred until firm. A cheese and melted sugar topping is added and baked to create a creamy top layer. Fourth, the development process. The steps undertaken in creating the prototype. First, prepared and gathered all ingredients and materials. Second, put the grated taro in a bowl. Third, mix the grated taro with the other ingredients and poured into a pan. Fourth, stir the mixture until the taro is cooked and the texture is achieved. Then pour into a tray. Fifth, add the topping, then put into the prepared container. Challenges encountered and how they were addressed. Kini ang main challenges jud namo no is ang cassava cake different jud siya sa taro because ang cassava is medyo lapot siya gamiton, dili siya kuan bitaw, dili siya basa. Mo ni ang amoang difficulties and challenges nga na-encounter sa amoang prototype which is wala jud namo na-achieve ang texture sa cassava cake og sa taro kay ang taro is basa jud siya. Mo ni ang amoang paningkamutan na ma-achieve namo siya o mangita mi og way kung kaya ba gid siya ma-achieve same sa cassava cake. And then, time management. Timeline of activities. Day 1, planning and idea development. Nagplano mi unsay buhaton ug mo to na develop namo ang taro nga ginganlan namo og taro treat. Day 2, preparation of ingredients and materials. Nag-buy me, nag-prepare me katong mga ingredients na kailangan ug materials na amo ang kailangan. Day 3, prototype making and testing. Mo to nga amo na siyang gi-prototype. And day 4, finalizing and documentation. Then, contribution of each member. Member 1, leader, organizer, and planning. Member 2, preparation of ingredients and mixing. And then, cooking, packaging, documentation, and presentation. Then, Taro Treat is a unique, affordable, and delicious dessert that offers a creative twist on a traditional product. It promotes the use of local ingredients and provides a new options for consumers. Potential improvements. Pwede siya ma-enhance ang flavor and offer more toppings. And then sa packaging, pwede pa pud na mo siya mahanapan og packaging nga mas suitable jud sa product for better presentation and durability. And the last is this is the materials we use during our prototyping. Its main ingredients, the grated taro, and this is the time we mix all the ingredients in a heated pan. And the last is the finished product. Thank you.